Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making a soap. I will show you the soaps along the way, but first of all you need a plastic cup, 2 of these, well, whatever you choose to stir, and then a container. I'm using this one. Okay, so you won't need the container until the end, so let's get started. So first, you're going to need a little bit of water. Well, make sure you have a bathroom next to you. You're going to need a little bit of water. You can remove that and just get about that much. If you can see that water, that's about how much you need. And then you need the soothing stuff. It's a type of soap. You need 1, 2. You need 2 pumps of it. Actually, another 2. 1, 2. And then we're going to get milk and golden honey. You need 4 pumps of this. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to need the Santa stuff. It looks like an actual Santa, and it might shoot out farther than you expect, but it's what it is. If it doesn't turn out right, just get an extra 4 pumps. And then we have the bunny. Actually, I'm going to click this bunny. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Oh, it dropped. And then you're going to need this stuff. Max Hold Hairspray 8 for long-lasting hair. And it has to be Wave Essentials. And do 8 of it. 3 pumps of that. And then whatever soap you want in here, I want that there's something in there. And then you just need 4 pumps of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then so if you want to do this, you can. But you can add in a tiny bit of conditioner or shampoo. I'm not going to, but if you want to, you can. For the shampoo or conditioner, I would recommend like anything that you have. And then take one of your things and stir. Stir. Like for a little bit of time, for like maybe like a minute or 2. So I'm just gonna stir for like a minute. Okay, and tell me how yours turned out. Tell me in the comments section below. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe to this video and to this channel. Okay, so no, I'm not done. Not until it hits. Okay, 4 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So put this to the side. You'll need it later. And then take your container, and then you're going to pour it in gently. Once there's just like a little bit of it left, you're going to need to like fill it up again. And do it again. You're gonna have to do the thing again, because you might run out. If you remember the order, great. If you do not remember order, follow the order that I'm going in. I know I have background noise. It's just my grandparents. Okay. I know mine's taking a little longer. And then you remember the bunny. So it's soothing white stuff, then milk and golden honey, then the Santa and the bunny, then the spray. And then whatever soap you have in here, and then maybe shampoo or conditioner if you want. And then stir again. Okay, now take your container again and repeat the process. I almost have it overflowing, so close it immediately and fill this up with water. Fill it up with water to the amount that I have, if you can see it. And you take your thing, squeeze some out, put it in there, close it, and then dump it into that sink. And then throw this away, and then throw these two things away, and then blend, and then voila, you're done with your soap. If you want, well, never mind that. Have a nice day. Just remember to throw your things away, and I might post next week. Stay tuned.